we're on our final destination, Seaside Park. This is where everybody just got to eat, and the bikes are phenomenal. 4,000. They'll have a final number at the end of the day. While you look around, this place is massive. The bikes are all around the whole entire area. 4,000. Can't believe it. Biggest ride I've ever been on. Everybody having a good time and enjoying, friends and family. They can walk out to the parking lot and take a look at the bikes out there. Sick bikes. Got a back tire in this thing. Unbelievable. Nice.